Good afternoon, teachers, parents, my dear classmates. My name is Lia Jacob Tumbaga. So honored to be your student speaker today. I remember my first day of school. I was so shy and nervous, but now I'm standing here really brave and happy. This school has become my second home. This school is so much fun. I enjoyed playing with my friends. I learned alphabet and numbers. And I'll never forget my teacher who was always patient with me. My friends made me smile every day. Thank you for the Rich Learning Center. Thank you to my teachers who helped me learn so much this year. Thank you to my mom and papa and lola for supporting me, to my mom and papa and mommies and daddies in Mindoro, of whom I am proud today. To my classmates and our congratulations. We did it. We're ready to the next adventure.